I've been throw up the sex in the and I can put you in.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to be installing this gorgeous 24-inch unit from Wiggins Hair. So if you want to see how I achieved this middle part look, stay tuned. So before we get into the installation, let's see what's in the bag. All right, so we've got a scrunchie, we've got an edge brush, we've got the invisible HD wig cap, and also we've got the adjustable band, Wiggins Hair lace mounting band. Now for the hair, this hair, oh my god, it's giving. Like, I am obsessed. So this wig is a 250 density loose deep wave, a 13x4 HD lace frontal, and it is 24 inches, and I chose a small size cap because I really have like a small head and I really want to feel that the wig is there. Just by brushing these curls with my fingers, I am obsessed. The quality is amazing. I also love the fact that it has an adjustable band, so you can adjust it to your liking. Install this hair. So step number one, I brush my natural hair back just to make sure that I don't have any flyaways. I did not do the bold cap method today because this wig fits like a glove. You know, it's already so perfect. Have a look at this HD lace. You can't convince me that it's not giving scalp. I am obsessed already. This was my first layer of the Ghost Bond glue. I only went in with one layer simply because when it's time to remove the glue, if you have many layers, it's really an issue. Then you need to wait for the glue to be completely dry. Then I pulled my wig to the front. Then I also went in with my glamour spray. Trust me, you can never go wrong with your Ghost Bond and your glamour spray. After my glamour spray, I went in with my comb just to make sure that every single strand of hair is pulled back. Then I went in with my hairdryer on cool air, so the process of the spray or the glue drying up is a bit quicker. Guys, I'm not even done yet, but this hair is already eating. This lace is a definite 10 out of 10 for me. So I used the scrunchie to tie my hair back, and I was getting ready to put on my melting band. One thing about an HD lace, you honestly don't even have to keep your band on for long because it just melts. Like, it just melts. I love this. Like, HD lace is definitely the way to go. This melting band on for only 20 minutes, but look at that. One thing about an HD lace, it melts quicker. All right, now it's time for us to cut the lace. When I cut the lace, I make sure to cut it in sections. It's easier that way, trust me. Just make sure that the glue is completely dry. After cutting the lace, I put back the melting band because, as I've mentioned, your installation needs to eat. So put that band on for maybe another 20 minutes and you're going to be good to go. I then went in with my hot comb just to give it that, elevated look, and trust me, this worked. Oh my god, a moment for the hair. I'm so in love with this hair. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I love the volume. So I went in with my brush and I just brushed it out. Mind you, there was no product as yet. You can either leave it like this or you can just apply a bit of, conditioner and some water. I don't like applying too much because I love that fuzzy, that natural look. It eats so bad. Oh my god, I love this hair. I am so obsessed with these loose curls. Even after brushing them out, it's still very wavy and gorgeous. I am obsessed with this hair. Now it's time to take off the melting band because we are done. Oh my god, this eats. Take a look at that. You can't convince me that this is not my real hair. Oh my god, HD lace eats. I am so in love. Look at those curls.
No one can erase that we were there. Then me and my love set me loose and I'll go over and above. I can prove it, baby, go.
I am obsessed. HD lace is definitely the way to go. So if you are looking to purchase this unit, this is the 24-inch loose deep wave lace front. The details are down below in the description box. I will see you on my next video. And for me, it is a 10 out of 10. I love this hair.
Enough to know now what you really want, why and how.
Up the sex in her. And I can push you in.